What's up, guys? It's TekRing. In this case, if you're Miss Thorne and you're my teacher, it's Seth, your student from your first period class. And this is my cell city that I'm doing in Minecraft while using lots of mods to make this possible. And first off, let's see, what should I do first? Well, this is my city. I guess I could just fly around it and show you what it looks like so far, just the whole thing. Alright, so there's some trees around, there's all the buildings, and all that mess. We got some guard towers on the cell membrane, which, if you're just my people on YouTube and you're just watching this, and you have no idea what I'm talking about, just look at this bottom one. If you're Miss Thorne, look at this one, and both of them. So, this is my cell membrane, which is the city wall. It's this big one made all the way around the city. This big wall. I included some guard towers right over here too. And yeah. Now here's some street names. I got Membrane Lane going all the way throughout here and over here and all that. And I've also got the Endoplasmic Reticulum, which is the factory. Hold on, let me turn my sound down. I don't want to listen to that. Okay. And these are little energy condenser things which just condense the widgets, which I have a sign for that outside as well. I have widgets out here. Oh, let me get to it. These are where my widgets come out of the factory, which are the proteins, widgets, which in real game are called diamonds. And they get put into this chest and get sucked out of the chest and evenly distributed within the ribosomes, the small shops, and there's so many of them that have been made, and these are my little people that run the shops. Oh, let me make it daytime. So they run the shops. There's 8 shops, I'm pretty sure, so all the widgets get evenly distributed. And let's see, what else? Okay, so we come in Membrane Lane. This is Nucleus Road right here. And let's see, this is the town hall. Town hall right here. And you walk in, and here are your instructions on how to make widgets. 1. Go to factory. 2. Insert widget into energy condensers. Take widgets out of condenser. You now have widgets in your hands. Use widget for whatever you need to use it for. Yeah, it's that simple. And let's see, what do we have next? I know we have another street name over here. We have Cell Street. Cell Street. This is another sign just saying that this is Nucleus Road. This is Cell Street right here. I have residential buildings, which you don't really even need, but I decided to put them here anyway to complete the picture. It's called Cell Village, established in Seth's room. And this is the mitochondria, which is the power plants. I'm actually holding uranium in my pocket right now. The food that gets converted into energy is uranium cells. I'm not going to put them in there because it might blow up this entire city. The energy comes out of the cables and into the power supply. It has none in there left because the energy is made into matter and it uses up all of the energy to do that, which is a very long process too. So let's just get out of here now. Let me out. Boom. Okay. So these are my burp city. Okay. These are my little residential houses. There's 6 of them. They all are actually exactly the same. 100% exactly the same. This is my UPS truck. It's the delivery truck, which is the vesicle. It's actually the only vesicle I have because it takes up way too much room. And it takes way too long to build that because it's tiny blocks. Just little tiny ones. And then if we come from right here where the, I think, ribosomes were, right, ribosomes, we come to back to where the widgets are made. Okay, 1 in every 21 widgets will go up this way. Oh, and one came out right now. So, and they go this way, and it goes along the pipe, and along the pipe, and it'll go all the way over here, and into the dump. Yeah, just right into it. You know, just throw it right in there. See if it comes out. There it goes. Boop! Into the dump. Okay, lysosomes, the dump, just throws the widgets into there. This is the post office, where actually, the Golgi body post office, where all more things are made. I forget what it's called. Widgets. Widgets are made. It's basically the same thing as the factory, but it just makes a few like less often. And I think I might have forgot to show you inside the factory, the endoplasmic reticulum. Oh yeah, I already did, I remember. It's just a whole bunch of these energy condensers making widgets. Okay, so let's come back over here. And back over here to the Golgi body. The Golgi body, the post office, produces diamonds at a widgets at a very slow rate. Every 15 seconds it will produce one out of each of these, so it'll make 2. And what it'll do is it actually goes into a pipe underground into here. As you can see, the pipe comes up right there, and it goes into a chest in here, and it gets pumped out of here. And then it gets evenly distributed to the houses, which are actually the shop owners' houses. So these are the widgets that they get to keep. So it does evenly get distributed because of the distribution pipes, and it just went into there. Okay, so each chest, I believe, has like exactly this amount of diamonds. Just 101 diamonds, about 101. So yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 101. And I'm almost 100% sure that's it. This is all the grass and scenery, trees, all that. And street names, all the streets and stuff. The factories, all the places where the widgets are made, energy made. I don't think I needed this. I couldn't really think of a way to do the Carpenters Union, but for the other extra credit points, I did the vesicles, though. I think that's what it's called. I'm pretty sure. The vesicles, yes, the UPS truck. So yeah, just getting it evenly distributed. And let's see, is there anything else? I'm pretty sure there isn't. Okay. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering, it took me about 8 hours to do all this, so I spent a lot of time into doing this. And Miss Thorne said there should be, it's not going to be just 1 hour of work. I mean, it's 8 hours. So yeah. If you are, Miss Thorne, if you're watching this, I'm pretty sure you don't need to watch anymore. Let me just see my rubric. Nope, I don't need to say anything else. My Carpenters Union, I already said I couldn't really find a way to put that into here. But if you are Miss Thorne, you can stop watching this now. If you are one of my regular YouTube people, you can keep watching because I have just, if you wanna keep watching, you can, but you know, I'm just gonna explain how to do this now. So Miss Thorne, you don't need to watch that anymore. I'm done. But yeah, I'm just gonna go on about how this works now. Okay, so if you guys are familiar with Tekkit, these are energy collectors and just antimatter relays put into a condenser. I just put it into a brick thing, and yeah, and these are I forget what these are called. These are, oh my gosh, it sounds like a clock. It's just making me feel nervous. It's called oh, I can't even remember. I don't even care. I know it's not a deployer. It's like a, I don't even care anymore. These are timers though. Just every 1 second, every second, it'll pull a diamond out of here, and it will put it into the crystal chest, and just along here into the crystal chest, the steam engines will pump it out. Just like, I think like 24 by 24. Every 20, just pull out 24. The distribution pipe will send 5 into the cyan, 5 into the dark blue, and 10 into the green. And the reason I put 10 into the green is so it will be evenly distributed into these. Yeah. And then for the gray or the white, just 1 out of every 21. Because 21 total, 1 out of 21. And then it'll go along the pipes, since it got speed up because of the golden pipes, powered by redstone torches, into the lava. Boom, got destroyed. And then I was using pneumatic tubes, as you saw in the factory. In the factory, here's the post office. I don't even know why this is in the post office and why these things are being made and why they're called widgets, but I don't care. But the timer every 15 seconds, and boom, just pulls out a diamond, goes underground through the pneumatic tubes and into the UPS truck, And then once it gets into there, it'll get pulled out by the redstone engines. Get pulled out by the redstone engines. There we go. And where are you coming from? There you are. And down here and into the distribution pipes. Alright. And then I also have just red alloy wire powering all these lights. And then the I only got one of these fancy though. I got one of these, like I just did it with like regular blocks, and then I kind of just made like a little support beam in it. But then on one of them over here, let's see, this one over here I made it look all fancy and stuff, and I made like different size blocks and all that. But the top is still the same. Top up here is still the same. And yeah. I will put this world up for download. Just remember, you will need to be running this on Tekkit. If you're not running it on Tekkit, it won't work. If you run it on regular vanilla Minecraft, either your game will crash or it won't work. Or it'll just show up all the vanilla things. And, is there anything else? I don't think there is. Subscribe, like this video, leave a comment. I really appreciate it. It helps me out a lot. I will... Oh yeah, also, check the description of every video now. From now on, check the description of every video of mine, because it holds important information that you need to see. Every single video. Like, the links to follow me on Twitter, to like my Facebook page, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Go to my forum page, and you can see all my stuff. Also, the download link will be in the description for this world. So remember, oh yeah, and also the link to technicpack.net will be there. Well, why is that door there? There's a door there. But yeah, there will be a link to technicpack.net there. And yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, technicpack.net is where you get Tekkit. And yeah, so that'll be it for now. And until then, goodbye.